in lockdown. Are you getting bored? So let's go for a short trip to Greenland, the land of ice and snow. In Greenland, we will be experiencing icy cold weather. It lies in the polar region, that is, between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Let's learn climate, vegetation and wildlife, the people, agriculture and industry. What is Greenland? An island or a continent? Greenland is the largest island in the world. Island means land surrounded by water from all sides. It is not a continent. It lies in the northernmost part of North America. Its capital is Nuuk, which was earlier known as Gotthard. Do you know, children? Greenland is a land of ice. Then why it is called Greenland? The first European who visited Greenland was Eric the Red. He was thrown from Iceland. He sailed to the west and found Greenland. He gave the island its name Greenland to attract people of other countries to settle there. Climate of Greenland. It is a part of Denmark that lies between the Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, but it is having its own government. The Arctic Circle passes through southernmost part of Greenland. Because of this, most of the Greenland lies in the frigid zone in the northern hemisphere. The region is also called tundra region. Means 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice and snow. It has 9 months winter and 3 months short summer. From the hills of ice, huge pieces of ice break off and float on the sea. They are called icebergs. They look small, but actually they are much larger than they seem. They are very dangerous for the ships as they are not clearly visible due to heavy fog and snow in this region. If you have seen a Titanic, you must have seen how it sinks because of an iceberg. The southwestern coast of Greenland is the warmest part of the country. As a result, most of the people live there. Vegetation and wildlife. Growth of trees and plant is very less because of extreme cold climate. During short summers, the top layer of soil melts and allow plants to grow. There is no forest, no crops can be grown. But some plants like lichen, mosses and cotton grass grows in summer months. About animals in Greenland. Only those animals which can withstand with extreme cold climate are found there. These animals have blubbers to protect them from icy cold conditions. Animals like polar bear, reindeer, seal and wolf are found here. Apart from this, several varieties of fishes and seabirds are found here, like penguins, Arctic tern and seagulls. Do you know what do we call the people of Greenland? The Eskimos or Inuits were the original inhabitant of Greenland. They like to call themselves Inuits. They don't like to be called as Eskimos because Eskimos means eater of raw meat. They are mainly hunters and they survive by fishing and hunting animals that live in their region. They wear clothes made up of seal, skin and fur. They wear hooded jackets called parkas and long boots made of seal skin. For hunting, they used harpoons, bows and arrows. Now they use guns. Harpoon is a weapon used for fishing. Kayaks are boats used for fishing in the sea. Inuits are nomadic people. To travel around, they use sledges pulled by dogs and reindeer. Nowadays, they are using motorized sledges. They lead a nomadic life in search of food. They have separate summer and winter homes. While roaming around, they build temporary house made of ice block called igloo. They are semicircular in shape. In summer, they move to leather tents called taupiks. The population of Greenland is 56,000. They have a mixed population of Europeans and Inuits. The capital Nuuk has the biggest population of 15,500. Holsteinberg has the population of 5,500. The entire population lived with all modern facilities. Agriculture and industry. Fish processing is the major industry of Greenland. Sheep are raised in small number in southwest coast because it's extremely cold. A very small part of southwest region is very suitable for agriculture and we can grow potatoes there. Thank you children. I hope you enjoyed the trip. Now read the chapter and do book exercises and learn question answers. Thank you.